Hi, in this video we're going to go ahead and create a parent-child relationship and then pass the value of the parent information to the child records as we create new ones. I'm going to go ahead and add a web part to this web part page. So we're going to go ahead and edit the page, add a web part. I'm going to create the parent-child relationship. So look for web parts, list view, add the web part. Go ahead into the Easy Edit interface, log into that. Under viewed lists, we're going to go ahead and browse over to the main list that we want to connect to, which is called vendors for me. Let's all find it together. Here we go. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. We're going to go ahead and click on Edit right next to vendors. And we're going to go ahead and click on Add Child List. And then search for our resources child list. We're going to go ahead and now connect them together through a primary foreign key relationship, which is a value found in both lists. If it doesn't exist, go ahead and create it using a lookup field. That's the parent-child relationship created now. Let's display some information for the company. And let's put ID in here just so that you can see that it's a match. And let's put address, city, state. And let's also display some child records on the screen. The ID, the first, and the last name. And for the future, we're going to go ahead and give this a session name. Call this company session. What's going to happen is we're going to pass this value. We're going to store all the information found in this list into this session, and then we're going to be pulling information from this session later on. So we're going to go ahead and OK on this. So we've got a parent-child relationship. What I want to happen is when I click on a new record, as you can see, it's a match, number 1 with number 1. So we've connected the right resources to the right vendors. Could be any other two lists. When I click on new item, I want for this company information to pass through to the form. So I've configured this to use the quest list form. Companies now is not a pass-through value. I can come in here and there's room for errors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Easy Edit to edit this form. We are going to go under the display fields, click on Edit. I'm going to go to the company value field, which is the one I want to consume that value. And I'm going to go ahead and drop to where it says the field type, change that to consume value from session. And now we're going to start populating some information. I've already got a session in place, but let's go ahead and delete and go through this whole thing again. So we're going to say this is a new session. The name of it is company session. The site URL is, you can type in the site URL where the session was initiated from. The list name is vendors. And the value we're consuming from there is company value. We're going to go ahead and OK on this. We're going to go ahead and OK on this. And we're going to go ahead and OK on all of this. So now, as you can see, the record able company has been populated for us. If I cancel out, go back to able company and say I have a new item, it will automatically pick up the fact that this is for able company. This concludes this short video.